Want to know the secret to making your own potent lemongrass essential oil at home? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to distill pure, therapeutic-grade lemongrass oil using simple equipment. Making your own essential oils is easy, affordable, and ensures you get the highest quality, most effective oil possible. What is lemongrass essential oil good for? Lemongrass essential oil is a powerhouse natural remedy. Here are some of its amazing benefits. 1. Relieves anxiety and stress. 2. Fights bacteria, fungi, and inflammation. 3. Repels insects like mosquitoes. 4. Alleviates headaches and muscle pain. 5. Aids digestion and relieves stomach issues. 6. Purifies and cleanses skin. As you can see, lemongrass oil is incredibly versatile. By making it yourself, you'll have a potent, pure oil to use in aromatherapy, homemade cleaners, beauty products, and more. Distillation equipment needed. To distill lemongrass essential oil, you'll need 1. Fresh or dried lemongrass. 2. A large pot with a lid. 3. A vegetable steamer that fits inside the pot. 4. Filtered water. 5. A bowl that fits on top of the pot. 6. Ice cubes or ice packs. 7. Dark glass bottles to store the oil. Distillation process. If using fresh lemongrass, chop it into 1-inch pieces. Place the lemongrass in the pot and add filtered water until the lemongrass is covered. Put the steamer on top of the lemongrass in the pot. Place the bowl on the steamer and fill it with ice. The ice will cause the steam to condense back into liquid that will collect in the bowl. Bring the water in the pot to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer. Simmer for 3-4 hours until you see oil starting to float on top of the water that has collected in the bowl. Replace the ice as needed. After 3-4 hours, remove the bowl of oil, water and put it in the fridge overnight. The oil will rise to the top and harden. The next day, scoop out the hardened lemongrass essential oil and transfer it to dark glass bottles. Store in a cool, dark place. The distilled water can be used for room sprays, cleaning, etc. Conclusion. And that's it. As you can see, it's easy to make your own lemongrass essential oil at home with common equipment. Experiment with other herbs like peppermint, rosemary, and lavender to build your essential oil collection. Be sure to use your homemade oils within 6 months for maximum potency. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others interested in making natural remedies. Subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more DIY essential oil videos and natural living tips. Thanks for watching.